About a year and a half ago, I found out that I had papillary thyroid cancer. When I found out I was sick, I said, oh no, not again. Well, one day my wife got a call from my sister-in-law, and she said that she might have found something that might help me. After 5 months, my cancer is still there. But you know, it has shrunk dramatically. I just praise God because I do believe all healing comes from the Lord.
I was doing a live show last August, and our live show is always 11 in the evening, and I get home like 1:30 in the morning. That whole week I was feeling, not myself. And my wife, who had been on Laminine for about 3-4 weeks, said to me, why don't you take this? Try it. So I was taking it, 2 capsules a day. But that whole week I went through that show and not knowing how I felt. But then I went to see the doctor the week after and had a blood test. But the thing is, I didn't have my blood test till another week after. Then I found out I had dengue while doing the show that whole week. So I say to you from my heart, this is a product truly allowed by the Lord for us to have. It just touches your whole being. Wow, ang galing talaga.
A sportsman all my life. Now that I'm 72 years old, it's quite hard for every old man to turn their muscles. But because of Laminine, I was so surprised when I went to the driving range 2-3 weeks ago. I could turn as much as I can and hit the ball the same way as I used to hit in my 40s and 30s years old. So there is something in that capsule of Laminine.
I got to know this product through a friend who had multiple cysts in both breasts. Basically improved so well from the product that got me interested. So I researched on the product and found out that one of the main components, the fibroblast growth factor, is really such a good protein. It repairs, regrows, and rejuvenates cells in our body. I'm taking Laminine just so that it could regrow the cells in my heart and hopefully improve the function of my heart. No?
Well, I was formally diagnosed to have fibromyalgia in August of 2010. But little did I know, as early as 2004, I already have all the symptoms of this fibromyalgia. And thank God, because of Laminine, I can sleep well. The fibromyalgia symptoms, all of it, they're now gone.
Year 2001. Unang-una hindi ko pinapansin kasi nagte-tremor, konti lang naman ang tremor. Sabi ng mga kaibigan ko na pasma daw ako. So okay lang, pinababayaan ko lang. Pero after 5 years na gano'n ang umalakas, saka sumasakit ang buo kong katawan mula ulo hanggang paa. Wala na ba akong makukuhang anything that could address my Parkinson's? Binigyan ako ng isang banig po ng Laminine. That was ito lang April. Nung itry ko, nawala ang pain. Then, walang-wala yung pain ko sa utak, yung pain kong back pain dito, at saka yung aking hypertension, nag-normal, laboratory test ng aking blood test, at saka sa urinalysis, puro normal.
I'm 81 years old, and I had blepharospasm spasm for 25 years. My eyes started blinking uncontrollably. It kept on just blinking and blinking until the point where it would just shut off completely. One day, my daughter came and told me, "Mommy, why don't you try Laminine?" I took 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and 2 the next morning, and my face stopped twitching. After 25 years, I got my life back again.
My son Gerald dyan, nung pinanganak siya, sabi ng, hindi siya umiyak, so absence of cry. Tapos sabi ng doktor, he has cerebral palsy. Yung naglaminay na po si Gerald, Marami na pong mga development. So, yung kamay niya na palaging naka-close, so open na po siya ngayon. Tapos, unti-unti na pong bumabalik yung mga reflexes niya. Tapos, na-notice ko po na palagi na siyang nakasmile. Tapos, pag i-kiss mo siya, mag-smile siya palagi. Nung nakita ko na maganda naman po yung result ni Gerald sa Lamin-9, so nagtitake na po ako. Lastly po, gusto ko pong iparating sa mga nanay na katulad ko na huwag lang pong sumuko kasi may pag-asa pa.
Ako si Chris Tandag from Cebu. Ako experience before is hyperacidity. May nag-share sa akin na magandang product for the past 7 months, 6 months. Even a single attack ng hyperacidity hindi na nag-occur. Even makalimutan kong kumain, I feel great. Okay talaga yung Lamin-9 na na-take ko.
I'm Paolo Domingo. 5 years ago, I started to experience extreme headache. So I took a lot of pain relievers, but little did I know, hypertensive na pala ako. My friend shared this product to me, and then for almost 2 weeks, I noticed that I experienced no more pain up until now. My blood pressure gone up to normal.
I've been through more than 20 years of being sick. I've been through 9 near-death experiences, the worst of which was actually a 7-day coma after 6.5-hour seizure. The doctor pronounced me brain dead, and after 7 days I woke up. Ana Rivera gave me a call asking me to write for Lamin-9. Then I never knew what Lamin-9 was. Just barely 2 weeks after me taking the supplement again, the cyst I had in the middle here was just this small. I have a 60-page report that says everything is normal right now. And I'm just happy to be alive and to share to everyone that currently right now I'm so happy just to share my story that everyone would have hope.
My name is Dana Jemima.
We found out that she had diabetes when she was 5. She was diagnosed DM1. Medyo fatal na yung kanyang diabetes at that time. About 3 months ago, we were introduced to Lamin-9. We were advised for her to take 2 caps a day. And since then, we were getting good blood sugar readings. When she used the Lamin-9, she started getting muscles. She was more alive, more focused than in her studies.
I'm already doing fine. I can concentrate now in school. I'm not fainting anymore, and I'm feeling good since Mommy gave me Lamin-9.
I have diabetes, and I have a high cholesterol. Being a diabetic also, I had these holes in my hands. Both hands, they have loops, white spots here. You'll see some cuts. It's like my hands are being eaten by something. When I took the Lamin-9, it erased everything.
I love my husband, and I know now that he's going to live longer and enjoy our kids.
Silicone, that's a very rare kind of sickness. Yung body niya is not producing platelets. The first time we saw Nicole, platelet niya is only 1. The only time we did blood transfusion was only 1 time. And we have not done anything yet. The only thing that's keeping Nicole alive now is Lamin-9.
Crash dieted, my resistance went low. I would go to the gym for 4 hours a day. And then one day, I just collapsed in the office. And then after that, I was diagnosed with MRSA. So the diagnosis of the doctor was 6 months to get well. When I took Lamin-9, 2 days only after taking it, my dosage was 3. My hair stopped falling completely, and then I started breathing well before I had shortness of breath. I got better, and I'm maintaining now because I saw the effects right away, and I'm happy.
Be alive!
Binutasan nila ako rito para mag-dialysis sa dugo. Kaya nagpapasalamat nga ako. Hindi ko kalaing masiswerte ako pa yung Lamin-9 yun eh. Pero doon ako nagulat yung bumaba yung tray ako. Nung bumaba, natuwa na ako. Yung mga kasabay ko na matay na iba dahil di na kaya ng katawan. Kaya nagulat sila nung makita nila ako. Ba't ang lakas-lakas ko?
Although I'm 62, ang pakiramdam ko I'm 32. And Higit sa lahat, ang tulong sa akin ng Panginoong Diyos. And He answered me. Take your Lamine, don't forget your Lamine.
Nagja-jogging po ako. Ngayon po, napakasigla ko po.
Dati po, mainitin po yung ulo niya. Hindi po siya kumikibo. Ultimong nagagalit sa mga anak namin. Nakahiga lang po siya, pagka pinapaliguan ko po siya, talaga pong ang bigat ng katawan niya, nahihirapan po ako. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Salaminay.
It was really hard to think na will I still be able to do the stuff I do? Especially, I really want to help my family. But I never lost my faith that I will be healed. After a week of taking Lamine, ang isang major effect was yung pagtayo ko, nakakatayo na ako ng ganito katagal. Before, I really cannot stand up even as long as 10 minutes. May tendency akong matumba, especially walking.
Hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung gagawin ko kasi bedridden na siya noon, tapos hindi po siya nakakabangon, tapos naging bahay ang ospital. Parang sawang-sawa na po ako. After Lamine po, naging active na siya, naglalaro na siya, at sana po habang nagtitake po siya ng Lamine ay tuloy-tuloy po yung paggaling niya.
I was diagnosed 2009 na puno talaga yung dalawang breast ko ng cyst. Last March, na-introduce sa akin itong Lamine. After 2 months, blessing na nawala yung mga cyst ko.
I noticed na mayroong mga black spots na makikita sa mata ko. Sinabihan ako ng doktor na, uy, kailangan ka ng operahan, sir. 2 days after I take Lamine, pumutok talaga. Doon lumabas yung maraming pus, yung maraming fluids, dugo. Siguro mga 5 tasa yung lumabas. Ang dami. Kasi palagi lang siya naglabas. Lumihit yung dito sa bukol ko. Lamine talaga yung nakaano yan kasi wala akong ibang tinitake.
Mostly yung couple, nag-married sila para magkaroon ng anak. Parang may kulang sa pamilya namin. Hindi natin matatawag na family pag walang anak. For almost 13 years namin, 3 months lang akong nag-take ng Lamine. Tapos may result kaagad. Binigay ng God. Miracle talaga.
Para bang may nakadagan sa akin na 2 kaban na bigas na para bang hirap kong kumilos. Hindi po ako makapagsalita. Kahit gusto ko pong imulat yung mata ko, pag minumulat ko po is nahihilo po ako.
Ang case niya is a full-blown hemorrhagic dengue fever.
Lamine po is a solution sa mga illness. Para sa akin, napakalaki po itong tulong nito. Pagka prinubide po ni Lord, para po makatulong sa mga may sakit.
I was struck by rheumatoid arthritis, so I can't walk anymore. After 4 consecutive days of taking it, I was able to stand and I can walk already.
Yung katawan ko parang kurbada pa ako kaayo. Yung abdominal ko parang musaka sa ibaba. At saka yung aking hips, lumaki. After 4 days or 5 days taking Lamine, I feel easy to walk. Parang hindi na ako masyadong mangyuko ko. Nagputol na ko sa kahoy.
Nung makaksidente ako noong February, nang wala po ko sa tulad na pag-iisip. Talagang nakalimot po ko lahat. Wala po kong alam sa nangyari sa akin sa ospital. Nung makita ko ang picture ko, grabe ang nangyari sa akin. Buti nabuhay pa ako.
Nung una pong nag-take siya ng Lamine, siguro 4 days. Sabi niya, magputulin ko kaya yung mga ang nahabaan daw.
Mami, salamat talaga. Kasi nabuhay ako, Mami.
7 months after, I found out that there was a lump here. A week after that, I was told it's malignant. I took Lamine for a month. I was tested in Manila. The results of my bioresonance imaging, my cancer cells are inactive. My depression definitely is gone.
Ako po is napasali sa treasure hunting. Nung na-retrieve namin, ako yung nagbukas. Pagbukas ko, meron akong nahamoy. Pero yung humawak talaga, tigok na. Ako boses lang apektado, pati mata. Pero sa ngayon, dahil sa Lamine, naka-recover.
Kuhan ko sa ICU, hindi pwede ko mapirahan kasi malakas yung kuhan ko. Bit sa kasing.
Hindi pa inom dahil ni Edgar at pong Lamine. Nakatulog na siya. Wala na siya mag-alingasa.
God has a special plan for each one of us. Only God knows our life. When He takes Laminine, He feel good in Laminine.
Taon-taon, parami ng parami sa buong mundo ang mga taong naaapektuhan ng sakit na diabetes. Ayon sa DOH, aabot sa 380 million ang magkakaroon nito sa year 2025 sa buong mundo. Halos ilang porsyento rin ang mga taong nabibilang sa mga hindi nakakaalam na sila ay may diabetes. Marami ang nagiging bunga sa pagpapabaya sa sakit na diabetes. Mga komplikasyon na nagreresulta sa pagkabulag, pagkasira ng kidney, atake sa puso, at pagkaputol ng paa. Gaya na lang ng isang taga-Quiapo na may diabetes. Itatago natin siya sa pangalan ng Mang Lucas.
Si Ma'am Dali at saka ang kanyang asawa ay taga-Quiapo sila. Naghahanap sila ng lunas doon sa kanilang tatay. Pinakita yung picture. Nung una, honestly, para ako naduduwal kasi doon sa picture. Hindi ka na sikmura ko. Nangingitim na talaga. At sabi nila, ang pinanggagamot nila, Sonrox.
Unti-unting lumalala ito. Nabubulok at may masamang amoy. Unti-unting naaagnas at kung tatagal pa, malamang ay putulin na ang kanyang paa.
Si Ma'am Dali at ang kanyang asawa, pumunta sila sa opisina sa FRPI para bumili ng Laminine. Lingid sa aking kaalaman, hindi nila pinainom, binugbod sa paa. And then, after less than a month, bumalik sila, parang wala namang nangyari. I'm not a doctor, sabi ko, pero parang may mali. Tanggalin natin yung Sonrox. Gamitan natin ng Betadine at Aguoxinada. 4 times a day. Sabay, Laminine. 3 sa umaga, 3 sa gabi. Sabi ko sa mag-asawa kay Ma'am Dali, i-continue lang. Ang na-notice namin, mula sa nangingitim, walang daloy ng dugo, after 1 month, ma'am, namula. And then, napansin namin, dun sa paligid, mayroong tissue build up. And then, tinuloy-tuloy. Ang nakita namin doon, good news, in less than 2 months, pagpakita nila sa akin ng picture, wow, nag-build up totally yung laman. Grabe, ma'am. Talagang halos maiyak kami kasi normal na yung paa, magaling na, and then nakakakain na, nakakatulog na, masaya na. Ngayon, gusto nang maglakwatsa.
Ang kanyang paang naaagnas na halos, natuyo at tinubuan na ng laman. Sa tulong ng Laminine at pag-aalaga ng maayos sa sarili, ang kawalan ng pag-asa na palitan ng sigla at bagong buhay. Malaking porsyento ng ating mga kababayan ang napapabilang sa hanay ng mga mahihirap. Kadalasan hindi nila kaya magpagamot kung may mga sakit silang nararamdaman.
May kami mo preso ramong gisalom. Tandaan niya, salom ko. 12 ka dupa, kitungkad ko sa di mo tungkad, pero ako tulungan ka sakit. Ama, dire, hindi na kayo kabati.
Dahil walang safety gear sa pagsisisid sa dagat, naging dahilan ito para siya ay mabingi.
Amo to ma'am, nagamitan ko sang Laminine. Kaya nga dulunggan nga medyo ga basa, nagmala ko no, kadayon nga medyo nakabati na ko.
Na-stroke ako, tabingi yung bunganga ko, luwa yung mata ko, wala na akong ginawa kundi mag-pray na mag-pray. Dahil may compassionate heart ito si Ma'am Barlene, she gave me 3 boxes of Laminine.
Sinubukan ni Salvador ang Laminine. Resulta, naging maayos ang pakiramdam niya.
After 2 or 3 days, doon ko na naramdaman na ang sigla ko, ang mga ugat ko, para akong si Incredible Hulk, na talagang ang lakas ko na sumigaw kaagad ako, wow! I feel good!
Palabas na ako ng bahay, nahilo ako at biglang natumba. Buti na lang nakita ako ng pamangkin ko, naagapan ako. Tumaas po yung dugo, 180 over 120.
Na-stroke siya, inabutan ko siya ng Laminine.
Pinainom ako ng Laminine dahil naniniwala akong gagaling ako. Naumpisa na akong malagalaw yung katawan ko. Umpisa na rin akong maglakad-lakad, pati yung kamay, naikilos ko na. Hindi na nila ako gaanong inaasikaso. Malaking pagbabago na po ang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Gumaan ang pakiramdam ko, hindi na sumisigip yung pati puso ko.
Bakit ako dinapuan ng ganong
sugat na hindi gumagaling. Paulit-ulit na kumalat sa katawan ko. Nagkaroon po ako ng karamdaman na to na hindi po ako nakakatulog, namayat po ako ng husto, at yung likuran ko po, yung left side ay naging frozen shoulder na po siya. Hindi ko maitaas ang kamay ko. Uminom na ako ng mga antibiotic pero matagal na panahon po, hindi po siya nalunasan. Nang magamit ko po itong produkto ng Laminin, meron palang plano ang Diyos at gusto siyang ipagawa sa akin. Hindi lamang po ipalaganap ang kanyang salita, kundi ipahayag ko rin po na meron pong magandang bagay po dito po sa Laminin.
I was on a surgery due to some infection with the gallbladder. The doctor saw something on my big and small intestine that creates infection in my body. That almost got me into a sepsis. That will cause me my death due to poison of the blood. Somebody introduced Laminin. It's a miracle that I could sleep well. My appetite is restoring fast. My weight is getting to gain more. A surprise for me, people telling me you get younger. The blessing of God, you cannot fathom it. Laminin helped me during the time. Try it.
I was diagnosed to have that stage 5 kidney disease. I was so weak. I went to my doctor and he said, can't do anything for me anymore. I saw in TV, Laminin. I think God is answering me. I was given only 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. I tried umihi. Nakaihi ako ng medyo okay. On the 4th day, imagine, I expelled so much. For 2 days continuous yun. And then, lumabas na yung pinaka-tsokolate ko. On the 3rd week, I felt good already. I walk fast, I eat fast, I talk fast. Every time we go around wherever, nahuhuli sila sa akin. Si Banji ba yan? I said, you so multo, ano?
Nangayayat na ako ng gusto, hindi na ako makakain. Tapos, hingal na ako ng hingal. Tinakbo nila ako sa ospital, and that is the first time na nag-dialysis ako. Pag sinabing dialysis, napakahirap ng procedure at saka yung pakiramdam. Meron kang pain internally sa kidneys mo na hindi ka makatulog. I-inject dito yung malalaking karayon. Ilalabas yung lahat ng dugo mo at idadaan sa machine, lilinisin nila, ibabalik ulit. Tapos after dialysis, hinang-hina ka, tuloy-tuloy lang yung Laminin ko. Dumating yung time para ako mag-laboratory. Ulat ako kasi nag-normal yung aking calcium. Yung aking potassium na sobrang mataas, nag-normal. At yung mahirap na gawing normal na uric acid, nag-normal din. Ang kraya ko, 800 na lang. That is before pa ng dialysis.
Pinanganak ko po siya, nakita ko iba yung itsura niya. Mrs., mongoloid po yung anak mo. Kung paano minalagaan yung mga anak mo, triple yung gagawin mo. Ayoko nang nakikita siya nahihirapan. Pag natutulog siya, parang napuputol yung hininga. Awa-awa ako sa kanya.
Malaking pasalamat na lang kami nang nakagamit po kami ng Laminin at doon nakita po namin yung mabilis na improvement po kanyang pag-iisip. Naging bibo po siya talaga. Naging active siya, emotion, physically. Nagkaroon siya ng tamang balanse. Kung maglakad dati yan, parang lasing, paikis-ikis. Ngayon, nakakadiretso siya ng lakad. Yung kanyang utal na pagsasalita, almost nawala. Nakapag-construct siya ng sentence. Yung, Papa, nasaan si Mama? Kaya ako tuwang-tuwa noon kasi since birth, yun ang first time na makapag-create siya ng sentence after 3 weeks na taking Laminin.
Premature, nagkaroon ng cerebral palsy at hydrocephalus. Yan ang mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan ni Sophie.
Umpisa po nag-take si Sophia ng Laminin. Nagkaroon po ng pag-i-improve ang kanyang pananalita. At saka yung kabilang kamay, na lagi pong naka-close, naibubukan niya na po. At naka-close open niya na po ang kanyang kamay.
Teacher, ano? Get set, go! Action!
Nung pagpunas ko ng tuwalya sa mukha ko, bakit may kasamang skin? Oh my God, nalapno sa mukha ko. Nung nakita ko yung face ko sa mirror, doon ako nagpanic talaga na nervous ako. Kailangan kong maayos yung mukha ko. Yung first day ko sa umaga, 3, sa noon 3, tapos sa dinner 3. Kinabukasan, pag ulit ko ng 3 umaga, before lunch, Nararamdaman ko parang kumikirot na yung mukha ko. I didn't know na yun pala yung trabaho ng Lamine 9. Na talagang nire-repair na niya yung tissue ba sa mukha ko.
Ang bilis niya mag-heal din sa mga taong tumulong din sa atin na ma-introduce yung Lamine 9. Yun yung mission din natin na i-share din natin siya sa mga nangangailangan.
What a wonderful collection of happy ending stories, hindi ba? Nakakataba po ng puso to know na marami na po ang natulungan ng Lamine 9 at ng Be Alive. So, when we come back, you'll get more.